Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tongkat ollie powder. To start, begin with a small dose, typically around 200 milligrams each day. You can easily mix this fine powder into your favorite beverage, like water, juice, or a morning smoothie. For best results, take it consistently over several weeks. This allows your body time to adjust and for you to observe its potential effects. Finding your optimal dose is key. Many people find success with a daily intake between 200 and 400 milligrams. You might also consider a cycling schedule, for example, taking it for 5 days and then taking 2 days off. As for timing, it's often recommended to take your dose in the morning or about 30 minutes before any physical activity to maximize its benefits. When preparing your dose, always use a precise measuring spoon to ensure accuracy. Once measured, stir the powder thoroughly into your chosen drink until it's completely dissolved. If you find that Tongkat ollie causes any stomach sensitivity, try taking it with a meal. This can help mitigate any potential discomfort and make your experience more pleasant. Before incorporating Tongkat ollie powder into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions. Listen to your body and adjust your dosage if necessary. Finally, to maintain its potency, store your Tongkat ollie powder in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. This ensures its quality over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.